Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get different wallpapers on iPhone on each page. To set different wallpapers for each page on your iPhone, you can use focus modes in iOS 16 or later, allowing you to assign a unique wallpaper to each focus mode and switch between them. As you swipe through home screen pages, here's how to do it. Go to Settings, Focus, tap the plus in the upper right corner to create a new focus, or use existing ones like Work, Personal, or Sleep, or choose Custom. Then here, choose the color, icon, and name your focus. Tap Return, then tap Next. Tap on Customize Focus. Choose a unique lock screen. Choose or tap on Gallery. Then tap on Add. Then tap on Customize Home Screen. Tap on Photo. Choose your preferred image. Then tap on Done. Tap Done again. Add home screen. Tap Choose. Then, select your preferred wallpaper on the home screen page. Then tap Done. Now tap Back. Tap on the plus button. Then tap on Custom. Then choose your preferred color, icon, and name it. Now tap Return. Tap on Customize Focus. Now tap Choose. On the lock screen, go to Gallery. Tap on Wallpaper of your choice. Tap on Customize Home Screen. Tap Photo. Choose your preferred photo. Tap Done. And tap on Done again. Now go to the home screen. Then tap Choose. Choose your preferred wallpaper on the home screen. Then tap on Done. We have been created multiple focus modes. Now, let's go ahead and set to change the wallpaper. Now swipe down in the top right corner to go to the control panel. Now tap on Focus. Choose the newly created focus modes, and it will change the wallpaper. With this setup, each time you switch focus modes, your iPhone will display the corresponding wallpaper and home screen page. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.